were very interested in the PI bundle because of the fact that we had been longtime Go iLawn users and understood that side of the software very well. And then the LandOne was a new, interesting way to think about how to address certain conversations with the client.
Using Go iLawn was primarily for our maintenance division, and using LandOne Takeoff was being used for our construction division. Sometimes a property was split between the two. When they came together, it eliminated a separate login and a separate platform.
The true integration of having that is just doubling down on what Aspire already says about being a holistic solution.
When it brought everything together, the ability to bring in aerial images or record plans or drawings or sketches and bring them all together on a property made that extremely effective.
Anything that saves us time is almost always worth the cost. Plus, I think the tool's really easy to use, so I can measure a house's lawn in under a minute.
PropertyIntel is really helpful on the sales process for giving you something that can make your salesman faster, more accurate, and then beyond that, if they're using that in client-facing situations, it can really stand out as a sharp product. When you start to show your clients what you're doing in the background so that your estimates are accurate, you're just driving home your professional level and the product that they're going to get from your company.
I've seen multiple other platforms, multiple other softwares, things that are integrated with each other. It brings everything together. It takes all the headache out. It takes the work out of it. It's there, it's turnkey and ready to use. And if you can put the value on having the data, having the measurements, being able to provide that to the client, it's a no-brainer.